Hey, what's up everyone? This is Hans again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about something that's super helpful if you've ever made a big purchase and you thought of, how am I going to pay for this in one go? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing China Bank Credit Cards Transaction Conversion Program. Alam nyo bang may feature na ganito sa China Bank, guys? Well, if you do, you may go ahead and skip this video. But if you're interested, then stick around to know more. So, what exactly is this program? Well, it's a way for China Bank credit card holders to convert their straight retail transactions into manageable installment plans. So imagine buying something that you wanted for a while, like gadget, furniture, appliances, or even travel tickets, and then splitting it into smaller, more budget friendly chunks. That's pretty much how the China Bank credit cards transaction conversion program works. You can choose the payment terms like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or up to 24 months. And the best part, the monthly add on rates are super low, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. Let me give you a visual. So as you can see, guys, on your left are the terms. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 up to 24 months. Yung monthly add-on rates niya is, pretty much just 1%. Then yung factor rate niya, mababa rin. Yung monthly effective interest rate niya is mababa. Kasi guys, yung normal na interest rate for purchases on a credit card, especially pag nagre-revolve ka ng balance, is 3%. But if you're going to convert your transaction or a big purchase in your statement into this type of program, then yung interest niya is mababa. So if you look at as well the annual effective interest rate, mababa pa rin siya. Kasi kung 3% yung monthly na regular na interest charge for purchases, for the whole year it's going to be 36%. And that's a lot of money, guys. Well, if you're ready to do this, here's what you need to know to qualify. Number one is you need to be an active China Bank credit card holder in good standing. Number two is the minimum transaction amount is 3,000 pesos. And only straight retail transactions posted in the last 30 days can be converted. But Hans, I don't have a single receipt transaction that is equivalent to 3,000 pesos. I do have a few transactions posted in the last 30 days, but none of them are 3,000 pesos. Well, one awesome thing about this program, guys, is you can combine multiple transactions to reach the required minimum amount. So it doesn't have to be necessarily a single receipt transaction na worth 3,000 pesos. It can be a combination of your transactions as long as all those transactions are posted within the last 30 days. So just a quick heads up, there are some exclusions. Things like gas, utilities, and ATM transactions are not eligible. But for most of your shopping and travel needs, you're good to go. So Hans, I pretty much have an idea how much the minimum amount is. Kaso lang, I have some questions about yung chart na you showed earlier, like yung may terms, yung may add-on monthly rate, my factor rate, my monthly interest rate, my whatsoever. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna share with you right now the sample calculation. And this is based on the formula na nandun sa form that I'm gonna mention later on. So let's say, for example, you purchase a laptop worth 30,000 pesos. And then, let's say, sabihin tayong 24 months yung installment plan, and we're going to use the factor rate. So here's calculation. So your monthly installment, for the monthly installment, so we'll just have to multiply your total purchase by the factor rate. So that's 30,000 pesos, yung worth ng laptop, times yung factor rate ng China Bank for 24 months is 0.0516667. So that's going to be 1,550 pesos per month. So yung total payable amount mo is going to be, so over 24 months, a total 1,550 pesos times 24 months, then it's going to be 37,200 pesos. Now, to get the total interest na na-accrue niya, simply minus 37,200 pesos sa 30,000 pesos na principal amount, and the total interest is 7,200 pesos. And that's going to be based on the 24-month term. But guys, if you think about it really, for just 1,550 pesos per month, you can manage larger purchases comfortably without any stress. So, in a way, manageable siya. And siguro naman kaya siya ng bulsa. So, you guys can do your very own calculation kung halimbawa sa 20,000, sa 30,000, sa 40,000, whatsoever. And then, i-check nyo right away kung magkano yung magiging interest niya based on the terms that you will choose. Para before you submit the request, you pretty much have an idea on how much you will be expecting na additional cost. So guys, if you have decided to do this, then simply go to China Bank's website and then download the transaction conversion application form, fill it out, and then i-email mo yung form sa document_creditcards@chinabank.ph. But if you would rather talk to someone like customer support, they have a 24/7 customer support hotline. So you can simply call this number here. And as for the fulfillment, pretty much the transaction conversion request shall be processed by China Bank within 5 business days from the time the complete application was received by China Bank. As much as possible, aside from converting transactions that are posted within the last 30 days, might as well allot some time before the due date to make sure that, hindi ka mapupersa ngayong magbayad ng malaki. Pag in case hindi kasi pag hindi ma-approve ni China Bank, kasi guys, this is still pretty much subject for approval pa rin naman China Bank. So yeah. Okay. And so there you have it, the China Bank credit card transaction conversion program. So what do you think about this topic today? If you have any thoughts or opinion about it, feel free to put it down below, and I'll be more than happy to read and respond to your comments. And also, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification icon para updated kayo sa mga newly uploaded videos ko here on YouTube. Again, this is Hans. See you guys next time.